Yo hago lo que sea por ti, no importa lo que digan por ahí. Quiero conocerte un rato, quiero saber más de ti. Oh, contigo lo quiero todo, una casita para vivir todo lo dije encima de ti.
Yo, what is going on, people? It's De Niro here. So today we've got a little side quest. It's literally almost 2 a.m. right now, and this is what we're doing. So we've just met Sergio here because he bought my boy's bike, Mr. M1K himself. This is the brand new R7 that he copped fresh. How many kilometers? 100 kilometers, bro. Bro was using it as a bicycle. Never used it. Have a look at these. We've got the cars. We've got Mr. M1K's car himself. You've also got my car over there. I'm gonna be honest, right? We've been here for the last 2 hours chatting
because it's 2-stroke and it's 700cc and it's supposed to be like less power than the R6 and the R1. It is actually like 100 times harder to remove anything than it is to remove on an R6 or an R1. Everything else about the bike is like fantastic. It's perfect for beginners. If you're like someone that likes to go fast and you're trying to go above speed limit, then R7 is the one. I don't think R3 goes above speed limit, to be honest. I think it reaches 200 in like maybe 15 seconds. It
15 business days, bro.
15, but
Need some Amazon Prime.
everything about the bike is good, but I'm sure they had a good reason to do this, you know? I don't think these guys are like, they're not like us doing like science experiments and then making a bike and fuck it, we're gonna make it like this.
Hood philosophies.
I don't know it yet and it doesn't make sense yet, but I'm sure it makes sense for them.
And it is a cheap bike to start off, right? No, it's pretty expensive.
No, it's not cheap to start off. Like
When they're new in the showroom, they're how much?
48,000 dirhams.
Ah, damn, you can buy a house.
Yeah.
It's either a Rolex Datejust or...
It's either Rolex Datejust, either buy a Rolex or you buy an R7.
Exactly.
If you have an R7, you have a Rolex, basically.
Yeah. Excited to get your bike in?
Yeah, I want to
Finally ride it?
Go above speed limit.
yeah,
legal
broke
speed
the no, be legal. I want to be legal. I put this one and tomorrow one I gotta public exhaust
Yeah.
for be more legal.
Exactly. So this is Wheels' Supra that you guys have not seen online. We'll start off with the aesthetics first, so I hope you guys can see this. So this Supra itself is running 20 inches wheels. So if you guys are wondering how 20 inches look like on the Supra, this is how they look like. I know there's a bit of a gap and he doesn't have lowering springs, but the gap is mainly because of his tire profile. His tire profile, he's running a 30 height, so that's why you guys see that big gap. Here he's running 35s. Don't ask why. That was a miscalculation from our part, but it does look nice. But I'm telling you guys right now, don't ever do this at home because this is some hood experiment that we did. Yes, it scrapes from the inside when he turned. He's actually kitted out on Adro V1s. First of all, he's got Emmer caps, Arma Speed, carbon fiber, wind deflectors. He is running an Adro V1 front splitter from Adro himself. Going over in the back, he's got an Adro V1 spoiler, all from Adro as well, by the way. Other than that, we're gonna talk about his engine now. He is currently on a stage 2 tune. He's on catalyst downpipe and he's on a MST V2 intake. But yeah, both their cars are very dirty. Just some things going on here right now that we're working with. So yeah, nothing too crazy on his hood. He does have an open intake here, MST V2. Catalyst downpipe all the way down there, which is a bit rusty. Oh my god, it does look rusty. Wait. Oh yeah, he's got carbon fiber lines here. He's blacked this out. And over to my car, which is just chilling here. You guys already know my car, De Niro Supra 4.4 Stage 2 Plus. Most famous Phantom Grey Supra in the UAE. And update of the bike. Moment of truth. If it works, I think it does. Oh!
The right works. Yeah. The left doesn't work.
Ran into a little issue. So obviously this bike ain't gay. We wanna go right side.
I see it. Okay. That's one.
Kaboom. Kablow.
Finally.
Hell yeah. Alright, moment of truth. Go right first.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hey! Bro, who needs a mechanic?
Trabajo, dinero,
Bien trabajo.
latinas.
You're gonna give us labor costs?
No.
Yeah.
There's a...
Shout out in the video.
I'll give you guys the shout out. I'll give you guys the tag on the thing.
Yo hago lo que sea por ti. No importa lo que digan por ahí. Quiero conocerte un rato. Quiero saber más de ti. Oh. Contigo lo quiero todo. Una casita para vivir todos los días encima de ti.
Already yours.
Yeah.
I mean, it is yours, boss.
I don't know.
Try and
Oh, that would have been scary. Nah, I figured that out. Dinero. Alright guys, obviously I just got a call that missiles are coming back. So anyway, Sergio, are you happy that they're working?
You can do it in Spanish.
Yeah, okay.
Like, are you happy with it? Like, how was your experience, like, removing everything?
Me gusta porque me gustan mucho los coches y tocar todo lo que sea motos, coches, cambiar cosas. Estoy muy feliz. My first bike, then I need to make something to the bike for feel that it's my bike, you know?